Want to say hello quickly? So we're with Sam, so thank you very much Sam for driving us round and show us how you can actually drive round. Well, that's the plan.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. That was so cool. Oh, that was amazing. That was brilliant. Honestly, thank you so much. That was really cool. Thank you. That was wicked. Oh, no way. That's, oh man, that is amazing. It's amazing to actually see what you can actually do.
And how aggressive you can be.
Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you. That's so cool.
Right.
Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away, as you fade away.